Today's topic is related to fundamental of partnership firm. One specific topic I am going to discuss today under this chapter, past adjustment. What is past adjustment? If the accountant has committed any mistakes while distributing the profit to the partner, or even in the profit and loss account, if the accountant has done any mistake, then rather than to change the profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account, it is better to pass an adjusting entry to rectify the errors. This topic is related to this. So our topic is past adjustment. Our topic is past adjustment. Means any mistake committed in the past by our accountant or the accountant of the firm in the profit and loss account or profit and loss appropriation account while dividing the profit, while distributing the profit, then rather than to change the profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account, we can pass one adjusting entry so that the previous errors will be rectified easily. For instance, there are the three partners A, B and C. Three partner A, partner B and partner C. The capital of this partner, you can say the opening capital of this partner 1,80,000 and 60,000 respectively. Interest on capital as per the deed is at the rate of 10% per annum. Interest on capital is at the rate of 10% per annum as per the partnership deed. Now, the accountant of the firm forget to do the treatment of interest on capital in the PL appropriation account. While handling the PL appropriation account, he has not entered interest on capital in the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account and divided the profit without the treatment of interest on capital, and the profit is divided. Thereafter it comes to our notice that the interest on capital is omitted, or the accountant has forgotten to record the interest on capital in the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Now what we'll do, we'll pass the one adjusting entry. How will find out whose account will be debited and whose account will be credited to adjust the errors? So we have to see first amount should be credited. We have to see the first amount should be credited, A, B and C. Amount should be credited in the partner's capital account is your interest on capital, which is not done. So interest on capital, A's capital is 1 lakh and rate of interest is 10%. So 10,000 is the interest. In B case, it is 8,000 is the interest, 80,000 into 10 upon 100. In C, it is 6,000 is the interest on capital. This is the first one. Amount should be credited. Second one, amount have already been credited. Amount have already been credited. Amount have already been credited. The accountant has not debited interest on capital in the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Because of this, the divisible profit has increased by that amount. Your divisible profit has increased by the total of interest on capital, means 24,000. The divisible profit has increased by 24,000 because interest on capital is not debited in the profit and loss appropriation account. And the result of this is the divisible profit has increased by 24,000, and this 24,000 divisible profit, this 24,000 is divided between the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Suppose the profit sharing ratio is equal, so 1:1:1, profit sharing ratio is equal, or the deed is silent, then it is profit will be divided equally. So this profit has divided equally in the ratio of 1:1:1, so 8,000, 8,000 and 8,000. Now we'll do the comparison of this item and this item, means 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. This is 1 and this one is 2. 1 minus 2. So this should be credited 10,000. However, it has credited only 8,000. So we have to credit A's account by 2,000. Here it should be credited by 8,000, and it has already been credited by 8,000, so there is no difference, so it is nil. Here it should be credited 6,000, and we have already been credited 8, so we'll do the reversal treatment, 2,000 debit. Now the treatment will be accounting treatment. C's capital account debit to A's capital account. A's capital account. C's capital account will be debited by 2,000 and A's capital account will be credited by 2,000. And narration will be simple. Being interest on capital omitted before the distribution of profit, now rectified or now adjusted. If I am going to write the narration over here, the narration will be being interest on capital was omitted before the distribution of profit comma, now rectified or now adjusted. So it's very simple. We have to see the two things, what should be and what we have done. Means we have to see our mistake, what we have done, already done, and what it should be. We do the comparison of these two. If here it should be 10 and we have already been credited 8, so we have to credit more, 2,000 will be credited more. Here there is no errors. 8,000 should be and 8,000 have already been credited. So both are the same amount. Here it should be 6 and it is credited by 8. So we have to do the reversal. We have credited more amount. So what we do, we have to debit the C's account by this amount. And if the capital of the partners are fixed, then the treatment will be, instead of capital account, treatment will be done through the current account. C's current account debit to A's current account, if the capital of the partners are fixed. And if the question is silent, then we will assume that the capital of the partners are fluctuating, then entry will be C's capital account debit to A's capital account. This is called past adjustment. Is it clear?
Okay.